Welcome back. In this quick guide, I'll show how to find all the video polls you've taken on Facebook Web using your PC, even with the newest update. If you've ever voted in a video poll on Facebook and wanted to check your past activity, the process is actually pretty simple once you know where to look. Facebook keeps this information inside your activity log, so you don't need to search through posts manually. First, open Facebook Web on your computer and log into your account. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner and click on your profile photo. This will open a menu with several options related to your account. From there, click on Settings and Privacy. After that, go into Activity Log. This is where Facebook stores a record of your actions, interactions, and different types of activity on the platform. Inside the activity log, look for the section called Your Facebook Activity. This area gives you a more organized view of everything you've done on Facebook, making it easier to track specific actions. Now click on Polls. Once you're in that section, choose Video Polls you have taken. This will display the video polls you've participated in before so you can review them anytime you want. If you don't see the option right away, take a moment to scroll carefully through the activity log categories, since Facebook may move things slightly depending on the update or the layout on your screen. But the path is still the same overall: profile photo, settings and privacy, activity log, your Facebook activity, polls, and then video polls you have taken. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you can find every video poll you've taken on Facebook Web from your PC. If this helped, make sure to try it on your own account and see how easy it is to access your past poll activity.